How to deploy Sarufi chatbots to Telegram. From your Sarufi dashboard, open the bot you need to deploy to Telegram. Head over to the Deployment section. Choose Telegram. Open your Telegram. Search for BotFather. Make sure it has a tick. Click Start. Type in /newbot. I will go with Red Business Bot. Choose a username for your bot. Click the access token to copy it. Head over to Sarufi. Paste the access token you just copied from the previous step. Type in a start message. Click Save, then Deploy. Head back to Telegram. Click the link to the bot you just created. Click Start to start chatting with your bot. We're good to go. Thank you for watching. For more videos on Sarufi, visit our YouTube channel, Neurotech Africa.